Once there was an old man who had 4 sons. They argued and fought every day over small things. Their father was very worried.
One day, the old man thought of a way to teach them an important lesson. He called all 4 sons. "My sons, bring me a bundle of sticks."
The sons brought a tightly tied bundle of sticks and placed it before their father.
The father untied the bundle and gave 1 stick to each son. "Now, break these sticks one by one."
The sons easily broke the single sticks.
That was so easy.
They looked surprised and began to understand. "Now I understand."
One after another, each son tried with all his strength. "I can't break it!" But none of them could break the bundle. "Ugh, it's too strong."
The father smiled and explained the meaning of the demonstration. "Together, you are strong and no one can defeat you. Alone, you become weak and can be broken easily."
The 4 brothers apologized. They hugged and promised never to fight again.
We promise to stay united forever.
Their father smiled proudly.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.